The White Plains Public Library offers a 3D printing service for library patrons. Whether you know how to 3D design or are just interested in getting something printed, this service is for you. There are some stipulations that you can find on our website, but for most people, they're going to be able to use the process as follows. There are different websites out there for finding 3D models. We recommend Thingiverse.com. It's basically an online repository of STL files, STL being the common format for 3D printed files. To access it, it's easy. You don't even need an account. You go to www.thingiverse.com and use the search box to explore what's available. So as a demonstration, I'll go ahead and type in skull coaster. And you can see it pops up all sorts of different coasters that you can 3D print that are related to the word skull. So I'll go ahead and click on this one. And when you load it up, you can actually view it in 3D form and look at it from all directions. And if you're satisfied with it, you go ahead and download the STL file. And to submit that file to the library, you're going to use a different website called TinkerCAD.com. TinkerCAD is a really good program for not only designing 3D models, but also for cleaning up STL files. A lot of the files you find on Thingiverse can have errors and issues, and so by uploading them to TinkerCAD, you can clear up any potential issues. So you go to www.tinkercad.com. If you don't have an account already, you just sign up for one. It's free. And once you're in, you're going to open up a new 3D design project by clicking Create and selecting 3D Design. And once your empty project is loaded, you go ahead and select Import and choose a file. And this is where you're going to select the STL file that you downloaded from Thingiverse. And once it's uploaded into TinkerCAD and you're happy with how it looks, you're going to want to send us a link to this TinkerCAD project. And to do that, you're going to want to make sure that the TinkerCAD link is public, which you can set on the main design page by clicking the associated gear icon, selecting Properties, and switching the privacy to Share Link. And you're ready to send it to us. The 3D print submission page is on our library website, www.whiteplainslibrary.org, under My Library and Training and Equipment Reservations. You open the 3D print job submission panel and fill out the name and email address fields, as well as pasting in your public TinkerCAD project link. Once you're ready, you go ahead and hit Submit, and you'll be notified about the processing of your submission in a timely manner. If you're interested in not just finding something online and printing it, but rather designing something and potentially printing it, I can't recommend enough learning how to use the free TinkerCAD software. If you're interested in learning how, once you make an account, they have a fantastic section of tutorials to get you up to speed on how it works. You go to Resources and then Learning Center and start going through some of their tutorials, and you'll be 3D designing in no time. TinkerCAD isn't the only free 3D design program out there either. There's plenty. TinkerCAD is good for basics, but if you're looking for something more advanced, I recommend Blender or FreeCAD, both of which you can find online and both of which have tutorials, especially if you use our LinkedIn Learning service using your library card number in order to access a wealth of tutorials in a great piece of online software that was formerly known as Lynda. Thanks for watching this video today, and go to our website for more information.